never sleeps, quality rest is a luxury. But for many, the night isn't always restful. Millions suffer from sleep apnea, a condition that disrupts breathing during sleep. It can impact anyone, causing fatigue, health issues, and affecting overall well-being. Sleep apnea often goes undiagnosed, but the consequences are significant. That's where awareness becomes essential. At Srivari Healthcare, we believe in solutions that bring peace back to your nights. Now, let's explore a game-changer, our BiPAP machine. Introducing the Prisma BiPAP machine, a breakthrough in sleep apnea treatment. Designed for comfort, precision, and tailored therapy, it's not just a machine, it's a guardian of your sleep. Customize your sleep experience with adjustable pressure settings. Choose a mask that suits you best, and enjoy the intuitive interface that makes using our BiPAP machine a breeze. Ready to reclaim your nights? Visit our website or contact us to explore how Srivari Healthcare's BiPAP machine can redefine your sleep experience. Sleep well, live well.